it Ribby? He sounds far away, actually. One of these days I'll see him, I swear. Anybody else? I feel like he's in front of, like, the houses over there, kind of. Like, on the other side. Since I know I won't see the owl, I'm just gonna see if I find any other animals. That's all I'm good for these days. I'm kidding. Hey, y'all. That's my new intro, apparently. I don't know. I feel like I say it a lot. I haven't vlogged yet today. I'm doing laundry. I'm in the garage looking at stuff that we're working on donating. But yeah, no. Today I feel like I was hit by a bus. And I don't know why that's my favorite expression to use, but it's very accurate. Saturday, Sleek and I had that incredible, like, pretty much hike. Small hike. And then I had 2 days of work. Sunday was insane, crazy chaos. Batman just came out. And then Monday was much more chill, but I'm still running around because that's what my job is. So my calves, which usually get sore, like on a normal basis, because I tend to walk on my toes, but my calves I feel like a bat, like a metal bat. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I feel like a metal bat or a very solid wooden bat smacked the back of my calves on both sides. And it's insane. So I'm also just exhausted. So I think it all just caught up with me on my final day off. I work again tomorrow though. So hopefully this is enough to, like, rehabilitate myself a bit, you know? But, yeah, I just thought I'd share that. And the reason I started filming now is because I wanted to show you something real quick. These are things that I had in my room growing up. They've been in our storage room that we have, our office/storage room, for years, since we've been able to have that little storage office room. And I just had to take a moment, and we are donating these because I don't need them. But I had to take a moment and just sort of look at it, especially this. I think this was given me by my momo. I think. It feels like it was. But I collected pezzes, and I remember having a bunch of pezzes, like, in there, and then a bunch of other little, you know, trinkets and stuff that were really cool. And here I think I had, like, stuffed animal things, like little, I remember one of them had, like, one of those little Hello Kitties that you get from McDonald's. I don't know why I remember that, but nothing really else. I think I had little, like, little doll, like, things on it and stuff like that. Or a little, I can't remember, but I just thought I'd take a moment in because we will donate it, and I just thought I would embrace the memory. There could be footage somewhere with that, maybe. I don't remember. Anyways, wish me luck on trying to recover. Guys, I hear a coyote. Yes. I think it's a coyote. Hope the records are good. And then you can hear the owl too. Oh my god. Eyes? Please? He stopped. He knows I'm looking. Coyote? And this is why I'm crazy. He just stopped. Damn it. Bruh. Just want to glimpse your face. That's all I want. Oh man, I scared it away. if all the other animals are safe. You still hear my owl? I keep scaring animals. I don't want to scare animals. I want to see them. Hey guys, what a wild adventure. Get it? Okay. No, that's bad. Okay, anyways, yes, I had a compilation of a few different clips that I had to throw together. 2 different nights. I obviously heard the owl, but then I heard a coyote, and yes, that was a coyote. It almost sounds like a dog, I know, but you could tell by the like kind of sound at the end of that, some of those bark howl things. That's how you know it's a coyote. I'm just saying. I'm pretty sure he knew I was there once I came out because he stopped. Who would have thought that animals could hear when predators are around? Because technically we are considered predators to them. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really hope that maybe sometime this summer or something I will catch that owl and just get a clip of it or a picture. And I think that would be so incredible if we can get that in here. So fingers crossed, let's hope that happens. I'm also kind of excited because all this nature like flavor added to the vlogs recently just feels right because of the path that I'm going educational wise. I'm really hoping to kind of stray into more of that wildlife, like environmental science kind of pathway. And yeah, just giving a little tip, little update of where that's at. We will keep you updated as we continue that journey as well. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Let's hope we see the owl at some point. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.